I'm Deepak from Rotatum Mechatronics. We are building high precision actuation systems, rotary linear actuations, which can go into several applications like industrial robotics, surgical robotics, defense applications, and that's the problem we're trying to solve. We're extremely grateful to tworks as well as HDFC Bank for selecting us for this prestigious grant. It's really, it feels great to be one of the shortlisted out of 600. Ever since we've been incubated here at tworks, it has been a great experience. Having all of the hardware infrastructure under one roof is a great advantage for hardware startups like us, because we can cut down our development timelines as well as do the whole prototyping and development process in a much more comprehensive way. After the interaction with dignitaries from the HDFC Bank, we were of the opinion that although they come from a completely different domain of banking, they put in a lot of effort to understand what we are doing, the problem statements that we are solving, and also the issues that hardware startups like us face. So that is a really nice initiative on the part of HDFC Bank, and we'd like to thank HDFC for taking time out and reaching out to us, trying to interact with us, get to know about our problems, and also enable us through programs like these.